I made a video about a really special event that just took place in our community. Like most of you, we've been doing our best to follow the CDC's recommended social distance guidelines, and it's not always easy. I really hope that you follow the guidelines set forth in your community, and together we can get through this crisis. In the meantime, enjoy the music.
Check, roger that. I got the World Health Organization on the walkie right now, and they said what the people need right now is some rock and roll relief. So that's just what we're doing here in Bisbee. Bisbee, if you can hear us, we love you! You're not alone! We've got Melissa Reeves, Philip Bino, and Mike Montoya playing a rock and rollin' relief concert in the streets of Bisbee today. This is a socially distant event, and everybody right now needs a little love and coming together, but we've all got to stay really far apart. So the idea is that these guys are going to get up on stage, we're going to roll through town and play people a concert from their porches, and I am so happy that I can be a part of coordinating it. We've got such a great team, and it's a beautiful day in Bisbee.
Hello, Bisbee! Put everything on a trailer and go have some fun.
We're going to saunter on down the hill.
My name's Melissa Reeves, and you are here, of course, with the Rock and Rollin' Relief Concert, put on by a ton of exciting and gung-ho, courageous folks in less than 2 days.
Love you guys. Thank you so much. This is awesome. Everybody in the world, we love you and we're thinking about you.
Rock and roll always helps me to get back centered, and it's just a great release, man. Well, the concept, I mean, obviously the pandemic that we found ourselves in, according to the CDC's, suggested behavior is 6 feet or more apart. And I think if we can do that, I think it can be a good thing. We don't have to feel so isolated.
We should have been doing this long before now. You know I'm here to be by your side. And if you're feeling trapped up in there, baby, you know I'll be right outside.
We are looking forward to rocking out, honestly. We're going to be playing a lot of originals, maybe some covers.
People say I'm the life of the party, 'cause I tell a joke or two. I might be laughing loud and hearty, deep inside I know. So baby, take a good look at my face. You see my smile looks out.
My vision for people that are coming out to see the show, if they feel comfortable with doing that, keeping a safe distance, and everybody's kind of respecting everybody's personal space. I think people should come out on the sidewalk and bang pots and pans and raise hell, but that's just me.
Money can't buy your youth and your home. A friend when you're lonely, or a peace for your soul. Thank you for the flower.
I need to do some rocking and release all this emotion that I feel like we all kind of got going on. This is all new for us. It's new for me. great to stay in your house and be creative. That's awesome. But the interaction of creativity is super important between people.
Does this town know how to rock or what?
Everybody in the world, we love you and we're thinking about you. And this is how we do pandemics. I can't stay in the house very much longer.
It was a great idea, and the town really needed some loving. Yeah, thanks for spreading it.
Yeah, I love you, and we'll get through this.
How many times have you heard someone say, if I had money, I would do things my way. Stretched in and put my heart up on the stage.